Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are diving into a must-have for any gaming setup, which is a gaming chair that combines comfort, style and smart features. If you are spending hours gaming, streaming or working, this chair might just be your next best friend. So let's get started. Now let's talk about what makes a chair a game changer. It has adjustable tilt tension. You can control the tilt resistance to match your movement and weight. It has synchronized seat and back tilt feature which adapts to your body's natural posture, ensuring maximum comfort whether you are leaning forward or reclining back. It also has height adjustability. To find your perfect sitting position is just a breeze now with a smooth height adjustment feature. This gaming chair is designed to keep you comfortable and supported during those long gaming marathons. The mesh backrest isn't just for look. It allows air to flow and keeps you cool when the game heats up. And check this out, there is a built-in lumbar support that gives your back the relief it deserves, reducing the strain during the extended play. As you see the dimensions of the chair in this picture, it is designed to handle up to 110 kg. Whether you are tall, short or somewhere in between, this chair adjusts to fit you perfectly. When it comes to the build quality, the chair doesn't mess around. It's built with durable and premium materials. The frame and the base is made from steel. The armrest pad are made from comfortable polypropylene plastic for arm support. It comes with 100% polyester cover that's both soft and easy to maintain. The gaming chair comes with the price of 6,990 rupees in INR and around 80 USD dollar. So what do you think about this gaming chair? Would you add it to your setup? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And if you found this review helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss out any latest product reviews. See you next time. Thank you.